Okay, this is for video tutorial number 12. I'm going to show you how to do a stairway. It's really easy, honestly. So we're going to say this is going to be a two-story, and we're going to have on a stairway along this back wall. I'm going up this way. So you go up to your architecture tab, and you click stair. And this opens up a whole bunch of options that you can do. You can do a straight stair, a full step spiral, your center ends spiral, L-shaped winder, and a U-shaped winder, and you can just create a sketch. So what we want to do is, up here we want to make sure our actual run width is 3 feet wide, and it's going to create a landing for us. And it's going to make it really easy. One thing we do want to pick though is where the location line sits. So you can do it from the center, or you can do it from the exterior supports on either side. So I'm going to do on the run on the left side, because now I can click along this wall, and we see I can say how many stairs I want. So I don't want to put my stair there. I want to put it over here more. So let's line it up right there. So we have our stair go up. We'll say we'll go up 10 rises. That's quite a bit. But the cool thing is we can click that, and then if we click again right there, we can keep going with our stairway. So we'll go up another 4 rises there, but that doesn't quite work. So we'll have to move that and create a landing. Let's just do that first one. So now we've created that. I don't have a second floor yet, so it'll look a little bit funny. But if we click on this view, we can see our stair is now created. It's just a stair. It's pretty simple. Just a nice stairway going to what our second floor will be. We'll line that up later. We'll cut a hole in our floor for our stair to sit in. That's all you got to do. And now it's auto-populated, and you can play with this now and set whether or not you want railings on it or what. So pretty easy, and you can put those anywhere you want. So hope this video helped.